Hello everyone, hope you are all well. In this video, I am going to share that declaration kit. What is declaration kit and what are the fields that we have to fill into the declaration kit. So starting the today's video, the first thing you have to enter your name and then your employee ID. After joining, you will get your employee ID in induction. There are 2 days of induction. You will get that employee ID there, and batch number also you will get there. Okay, and you will have to fill according to them your employee ID, your batch name. Okay, after that you have to fill date of joining, that on which you are joining your induction day. Okay, day first is your date of joining, and working location is your work location as mentioned in your joining letter. On joining letter, what is your work location mentioned, you have to write that. Okay, and reference ID is your CTDT reference number. Okay, you have to write that. And after that, on the second page, you will find your employee ID. You have to fill here your employee ID and your name, your date of joining, or what's your date of joining is, and the TCS work location, your work location should be there, and the joining report, reference to your office letter number, TCS CTDT reference number should be written here, and date of offer letter, on which date you got your offer letter. You will find that in your email on the day you will get your offer letter. Okay friends, after that you have to find your designation here, write your designation here, what is it, and date of joining. Okay, after that your present address, full present address should be there, and permanent address should be there. Your personal email ID, in which TCS will send you a mails regarding all the information initially. Okay, and your mobile number should be there, and alternative mobile number should be there also, and mailing address on which you want to receive the mailing address. It should be your present address, permanent address, or any different, then you will write here. Okay, your fifthly, after that your name should be there and your signature should be there. Okay friends, so friends, after that you will find this third page. Inside there you have to write your employee ID here, and this is associate declaration form. You will go through all these what is written inside. I will show you the details what we have to write. Here you have to write your employee ID, your name, and your date of joining. Your date of joining is very important. You have to write on which you get your induction mail, on which date you get your induction mail, and after that work location and mentioned in your joining location letter. Your work location should be there, and your signatures. Okay friends, after this third page you will find undertaking form, and inside undertaking form there is an employee ID. Your employee ID should be there, your name should be there, and your employee ID again here, and you will go through this all these things. Okay friends, and these are employee IDs, your employee ID here, your name, your signature, your place on work or location of your joining letter. Okay friends, so after this, on the fifth page you will find that undertaking for provisional appointment to TCS. Your employee ID should be there, from your name, your batch name should be provided by your ILP trainees on the day induction days, and your ILP training days, and your date of joining should be there. Your college name of the college, your college name should be there in university, institute, or college, whatsoever it is. And after that, you have to fill your name here from your college name, and these are some things. And your work location, should be there. And these are some pending documents. If you have some pending document, you should write. Suppose your passport should be there, and your provisional certificates, your mark sheet, all that things would be written here as a pending document. And date of submission, you will approximate date on which you will submit all the documents, you will write here. Okay friends, after that here your employee ID, your signature should be there, your date of joining, and your place of work location. Okay friends, and after on the last page you will find Tata code of conduct. You have also follow this Tata code of conduct, so that you will fill this form. Your employee ID, here on the top of your employee ID should be there, and you will go through all these things, and your signature, your name, your employee ID, your date of joining, and your location as mentioned in your joining letter, and your final, your address should be there. Okay friends, so this is all the steps which we have to follow into the declaration kit. So this is all for today's video. If you like, please like, share, subscribe, and for don't forget to subscribe my channels. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.